The current situation following the coronavirus, schools, colleges and universities have closed down. In such situation, educators are looking for interactive, accessible and affordable distance learning solutions. We are here to help you create effective remote learning environments for your students. Welcome to Zama Classroom. Our syllabus library is created by experienced teachers and aligned with the curriculum publishers, exam board specification and national curriculum. Every teacher can design and upload its own curriculum according to their needs. Now teach your own predefined curriculum in advanced online atmosphere with videos, audios, pictures, slides, and other available study materials. Each topic comes with a range of formative assessment questions which encourage retention of information by allowing students to test their knowledge while learning. Let's break it down. Log into your account. Use the teacher dashboard to monitor whole class performance. You can easily view specific learning participation. Help you to track your content builder and pending tasks on Zama Classroom. Calendar helps you manage your lesson plan and assignment work. Teachers can use predefined curriculum to create papers, assignments, and mark them from just a single touch. The Activity tab also allows you to identify students to support and praise. Use syllabus features to upload your curriculum in weekly syllabus plan and upload learning content in a format that works best for your students, either a video, text, audio, or slideshow, so they are in control of their learning. Every subject syllabus is broken down into chapters and micro lessons. Each micro lesson is designed to cover a specific area of learning. Micro lessons come with a range of MCQs, short questions, long questions, true false, and fill in the blanks, allowing students to test their knowledge while learning. Log into your account. With gamification in app gives students a sense of achievement. Students can see their progress across subjects as well as identify their strengths and areas for improvement. From main screen, simply select your subject of study. Every topic is broken down into micro lessons coordinates. Select a topic and engage in high-quality learning resources using our unique mobile pedagogy. Learning materials that work best for you. As students complete topic, they encounter a range of assessments. Gamification elements allow for healthy and engaging competition among users. The administrator can get an overview of performance against actual and plan. The dashboard gives quick overview of student engagement, content uploaded, lesson plan, task reports, and teachers' progress. Quickly and easily view teacher, class, subjects, and student assessment and performance. With Report Generator, create lectures, attendance reports, student activity reports, course progression report, grading reports, and much more. This is the time to act upon going digital. We understand the challenges of introducing new technologies to your institute. That's why our dedicated team is here to help.